Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: understanding cancer. In this video, we aim to demystify cancer, providing you with clear, accurate information. We'll break down what cancer is at its core, exploring the cellular changes that differentiate it from healthy tissue. Let's begin. At its essence, cancer is a disease of our cells, those fundamental building blocks that make up our tissues and organs. In a healthy body, cells grow, divide, and die in a highly ordered manner. Cancer disrupts this intricate process. It begins when cells in a particular part of the body start to grow uncontrollably, ignoring the normal signals that regulate their life cycle. These rogue cells, instead of dying off, continue to divide and multiply, often at an alarming rate. This uncontrolled growth stems from changes in the cell's DNA, our genetic blueprint. These changes, or mutations, can be inherited or acquired over a lifetime due to various factors like exposure to tobacco smoke or ultraviolet radiation. As these abnormal cells proliferate, they form a mass of tissue known as a tumor. Not all tumors are cancerous. Some are benign, meaning they grow locally and don't spread. However, malignant tumors can invade nearby tissues and spread to distant sites in the body, a process called metastasis. Now let's take a look at the impact of cancer through the lens of statistics. In the United States alone, millions of people are diagnosed with cancer each year. Cancer statistics provide valuable insights into the prevalence of different types of cancer, allowing healthcare providers to allocate resources effectively. They also help researchers identify trends and patterns which are essential for developing targeted prevention and treatment strategies. For instance, lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer-related deaths in both men and women. This knowledge has fueled public health campaigns aimed at reducing smoking rates, a major risk factor for lung cancer. Similarly, statistics highlight the increasing incidence of certain cancers, such as colorectal cancer in younger adults. This alarming trend has prompted recommendations for earlier screenings, potentially catching the disease at a more treatable stage. By understanding the risk factors associated with different cancers and adopting healthy lifestyle choices, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing this disease. Cancer statistics, though they may seem impersonal, are a powerful tool in our fight against this complex group of diseases. While cancer affects people from all walks of life, it's crucial to acknowledge that the burden of cancer is not distributed equally. This brings us to the critical issue of cancer disparities. The differences in cancer incidence, mortality, survivorship, and burden of cancer among specific population groups. These disparities are deeply rooted in social, economic, and environmental factors that influence access to healthcare, exposure to risk factors, and overall health outcomes. For instance, African Americans have the highest death rate for most cancers compared to any other racial or ethnic group in the US. These disparities are often attributed to a complex interplay of factors, including limited access to quality healthcare and higher prevalence of certain risk factors. Addressing cancer disparities requires a multi-pronged approach, tackling these systemic issues head-on. This includes expanding access to affordable healthcare, increasing awareness and early detection efforts in underserved communities, and diversifying the healthcare workforce. It also means addressing implicit bias in healthcare and ensuring that everyone receives culturally competent care. By addressing these disparities, we can work towards a more equitable healthcare system for all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay healthy and informed. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the cellular basis of cancer to the stark realities of cancer disparities. By arming ourselves with information, we can make informed decisions about our health and support those affected by cancer. The fight against cancer is a collective effort. Let's continue to learn, share our knowledge, and work together to create a future where cancer is no longer a dreaded diagnosis, but a challenge we can overcome.